already primed my eyelids with the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. And now to begin my smoky, I'm going to use the Tartelette in Bloom palette. With a Sigma Tapered E40 blending brush, I'm going to pick up on the shade Rebel and place it right above my crease. And now with the shade Leader, I'm going to use a smaller little blending brush and work that into the crease. Now with that same small little blending brush, I'm going to pick up Activist and place it all over the lid. For a little halo of shimmer, I'm going to take the color Rocker and place that right in the center of my lid, right above my iris. For eyeliner, I'm going to use the Pat McGrath Graphic Eyeliner Pen, and I'm just going to use that little pointy tip to do my wing liner. Underneath the eye, I'm going to take a little flat shadow brush and use the color Smoke Show and just smoke out that lower lash line. Right below that color that I just put down, I'm going to mix Rebel with a little bit of Leader. So here's our final look for our smoky eye using the Tartelette in Bloom palette. I just quickly popped some lashes on off camera to complete the whole smoky eye look. It was super easy to do, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm Taylor with Multimedia Makeup Academy. Thank you for watching.